Welcome back here, guys. It's your girl again. In this video, we're going to be taking a short review and unboxing of my new straightener. I bought a straightener in the market this week and I've never straightened my hair before. It is my first time, so I want to do it myself at home. Look, I bought a dummy for it. Your girl is not joking. So I want to do this straightening myself now, right? Let me just review the products. This is the Sona Splint Straight Hair, right? It's a fresh straightener. I actually never intended buying this product, right? Guess what? When I got to the market, I requested for the Cloud9 that I wanted to buy because I know Cloud9 is a good product. This video is not sponsored. Of course, I also know that Cloud9 has lots of replicated products in the market. That is fake products. So as a result of that, I was already skeptical. I was thinking of who I'm going to buy from. Good enough, I told this lady and she showed me another product aside from Cloud9. Then she now told me this is the one she would have advised me to buy. Okay, that is Sona. No, that's not Sona. There's one other popular product, but she now brought out this Sona and told me this is the one she can advise me to buy. I said, why? Is it because you imported it, or your boss imported it, or your brother or your husband imported it? And she said no, that this is a good product. Like, it is still fresh in the market. As a result, we don't have the fake yet, the replicated ones yet. So I should just take advantage. And sure, we know that in Nigeria, when something is good like the Cloud9, people replicate it and the copy just floods the market such that you don't know the original, you don't know the copy. But in this case, she told me this and she tested it. Guys, look at this hot steel. I just plugged it, right? It's on power. If you touch it, it's very hot. I plugged it so that this video will not be too... Can you see this thing? On top of the power button, it has different Celsius. So it depends on how hot you want it. Just plug it and leave it for a while. It gets very hot. Now, this Sona product, I'm giving a very realistic review for it. Very honest opinion of mine. This is 220 degrees Celsius. This is 200, this is 180, and this is 160, depending on how hot you want this product to go. I'm a beginner. I'm straightening my hair for the first time, so I don't want, to make a mistake that will burn my hair off or even burn the lace, right? So now I'm going to use it. This is very hot already, very hot. I cannot risk putting it on a higher level, right? Now I'm going to use it to straighten this hair. This video is for people who are just learning to straighten their hair, people who want to buy straightener, don't know the straightener to buy. This is how many watts? Yeah, I checked it. The Cloud9 was 60 watts and this is 80 watts. That was what even made me believe the lady, because I checked all the indications on the carton, right? Now this is 80 watts. Cloud9 is 60 watts. So I decided to pick it up. Even if it's not up to 80 watts, then it will probably be 60 watts. Let's work with this. And it's cheaper than Cloud9. I think it's 2,500 naira lesser than Cloud9. So I decided to follow the economy and pick what is cheaper. So right now, let's go straight into the video. Comb every part of your weaves out, then start from the lower region. I didn't film the lower region because I didn't want this video to be too long. So you start from the base, comb it, and then start stretching. You would notice that I combed it properly. I separated them well before I used the straightener to straighten it out. At this point, the straightener is so hot that it's actually burning my hand. But I wasn't holding it well at all because it was quite hot, right? Now, be careful not to burn your lace, your frontal or your closure with your hair while at it. So be careful while picking those strands. Make sure that you do not burn your hair because you have to buy a fresh one. You cannot patch it. Look at how hot this straightener is. I was using the back, that is the plastic side, to level up the upper part of the hair. You would see that the upper part of the hair is actually smooth just because I used the plastic part. That's to tell you how hot it truly is. So this Sona straightener is actually a 9/10 for me. I would definitely recommend it if you want to go for this straightener. At this point, I'm done straightening, guys. Look at the difference between when I started and now. I'm just going to cut a few edges away or cut it out, but you can see how straightened it is. This is a very nice straightener. I think it's worth the money. I think it's worth the price. It's very nice, guys. Good review, good result. So it's a thumbs up for this Sonar straightener. In case you guys see it in the market and you want to buy, as long as it's the original, you're good to go.